Imagine you've just spent 10 years saving every penny for your dream home. You found the perfect place, the bank approved your loan, and you're literally holding the keys in your hand. But then, the deal vanishes. Not because you lost your job, and not because the house has a leak. It's because a black box, AI 2,000 miles away, just decided your neighborhood is uninsurable. In 2026, we are hitting the insurance wall. It's a silent financial glitch that is making homeownership impossible, and it's about to turn the entire housing market into a ghost town. This isn't just one bad deal. It's a $600 billion system failure that is quietly erasing the American dream from the map. And the worst part? Most people don't even know the wall exists until they crash into it. Look, to really get this, you have to stop thinking of insurance companies as helpful neighbors. They're basically giant math machines. Their entire business model is just one big bet. They're betting that your house won't burn down. But in 2026, the people making those bets disappeared. Now it's all run by black box AI. We're talking about algorithms so messy and complex that even the engineers who coded them can't explain why they make certain calls. This AI is obsessed with you. It's staring at high-res satellite photos of your roof tiles. It's measuring the moisture in your backyard soil. It's even crunching a century of weather data to predict what happens 30 years from now. And here's the real glitch. These robots are programmed to be perfectly safe. If the math shows even a tiny, unpredictable shadow of a risk, the AI doesn't just bump up your bill, it tells the company to pack its bags and quit. It's like a casino that kicks you out and locks the doors the second they think you might actually win. They aren't just making life more expensive, they're quietly quitting on the rest of us. And when the people meant to protect the system decide to leave, they take the entire economy's exit door with them. So, what actually happens when the music stops? Well, this is where that silent crash I mentioned really starts to get ugly. Most of us, including me, grew up thinking a housing crash looks like 2008, screaming headlines and people crying on Wall Street. But in 2026, the crash is quiet. It doesn't start with a bang. It starts when one single house in your neighborhood loses its insurance coverage. Let's look at a guy named John. John has a nice place. He's paid his mortgage for years, and he's ready to sell so he can retire. He puts a for sale sign in the yard and gets 10 offers the first weekend. On paper, John is rich. But then the glitch hits. Every single buyer's bank calls back with the same news. We can't give you the loan. Why? Because their AI risk model just flagged John's street as a high-risk zone. Suddenly, the insurance quote for that $500,000 house isn't $2,000 a year anymore. It's $20,000. Just like that, the buyers vanish. John's house is still standing. It still looks perfect, but financially, it's a ghost. It's locked. And because John can't sell, he can't move. He's stuck in a house that the market says is worth a fortune, but the AI says is worth zero. This is the new reality. Your wealth isn't actually yours anymore. It's just a permission slip held by a computer program that doesn't care about your retirement plans. The market isn't breaking down. It's being deleted, one zip code at a time, while we all sit inside and wait for the light to turn red. By the way, I'm curious. Have you noticed any weird glitches or hidden costs in your own neighborhood or internet lately? Drop a comment below and let's investigate them together. Honestly, we're entering a period where the old rules of money are being rewritten by algorithms we can't see. We've always been told that real estate is the safest bet you can make. But in 2026, the safest bet is only as good as the AI that backs it up. And one bet you can actually control is subscribing my channel. If you're looking to buy, or even if you already own, you need to start looking past the price tag and start looking at the risk score. Because in this new economy, the person with the most money doesn't win. The person who can actually stay insurable does. The insurance wall is just one of the many glitches we're investigating here. If you want to see how OpenAI is crashing or why Starbucks is secretly a bank, click the videos on your screen right now. I'm Karen, and thanks for watching Ink and Interest.